G'day. So today I'm going to cook potato mashies with gravy filling. They're from Woolworths. So I'm going to give these a go, see what they're like. Hopefully they'll be good. I'll put them all in there. So it's saying, if I can find it, 180 degrees for 11 minutes. 180, 11 minutes. See how we go. All right, let's check it out. Have a look at them. They look nice. There you go, potato mashies. Cut it in half. Cut one in half. We'll give it a go. Give it a try. Oh, I think I might let it sit for a minute. I'll let it sit for a minute. It's going to be too hot. Then we'll taste test. All right, let's give it a taste. You can see all the potato and the gravy. You can taste the potato. That's nice. I like that. Just a quick snack, that. But yeah, no, that's nice. I recommend that. I'd be getting these again. See you on the next one.